Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Rios English News Bulletin. I am Mohammad Inayatur Rahman. Let's start with the day's headlines. Special prayers held at the Eidgah Ujale Shah Sahab Rahmatullah Alayh for the early release of renowned Islamic scholar Maulana Abdul Qawi. The deadline for the election campaigning for the Municipal Corporation 10 seats, 146 other municipality and Nagar Panchayat seats expired today. The Kamal Nath Committee meet members of various associations at the Secretariat on Saturday. The committee has been entrusted with the responsibility of the distribution of state government employees between the Telangana and the Seemandhra regions. The Pahari Sharif Police is to maintain a strict vigil during the upcoming Nagar Panchayat elections. So far, it has recovered cash worth Rs 75 lakhs in various frisking operations. And a youth died after being hit by an RTC bus in Shamshabad. Now let's head for the headlines in detail. The Kamal Nath Committee met different associations on Saturday at the Secretariat over the distribution of employees between Telangana and Rayalaseema, seeking their suggestions on the distribution. The Kamal Nath Committee is headed by Union Minister Mr. Kamal Nath. The committee has been formed for the distribution of employees between the Telangana and the Seemandhra regions. The committee met various associations at the Finance Department's conference hall at the Secretariat to take their opinions about the task. The associations presented their views before the committee and also forwarded the suggestions to the committee. The Andhra Pradesh Congress Committee is to send the list of the party's candidates from the state for the Assembly and Lok Sabha elections to the Congress Party's High Command by the end of this month. A review meeting was held under the chairmanship of PCC head Mr. Raghuveera Reddy. The meeting was also attended by Union Minister Mr. Chiranjeevi and former Minister of Andhra Pradesh Mr. Annam Ram Narayan Reddy. Talking to reporters, Mr. Annam Reddy, who is a former finance minister, said that the election campaign committee has decided to send the list of the party's candidates from the state for the Lok Sabha and the Assembly elections to the High Command by the 31st of March. He also said that the state's development and progress was only possible if the Congress party returned to power. The Congress party's minority leaders protested at Gandhi Bhavan over inadequate representation given to Muslim candidates from the party for the forthcoming Lok Sabha and Assembly elections. Congress's proactive Muslim leader Mr. Muhammad Amjad led a protest outside Gandhi Bhavan on Saturday. Mr. Amjad, along with other Muslim leaders from the Congress and workers of the party, gave a protest dharna outside the Congress party state headquarters for the party's failure in giving adequate number of tickets to Muslim candidates for the forthcoming assembly and parliamentary elections. They expressed unhappiness over Muslim members of the state Congress not being given enough tickets from the party for the ensuing state and parliamentary elections. They have appealed to the AICC chief, Ms. Sonia Gandhi, and the Congress party's vice president, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, to make sure that the Muslim candidates get enough number of tickets for the forthcoming elections. The deadline for election campaigning for the 10 municipal corporations, 146 municipal and Nagar Panchayat elections expired today. The voting for these bodies would be held on the 30th of March from 7 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. in the evening. Election Commission Secretary said that from now on, no person would be allowed to run any campaign for these elections, organize rallies, congregations, or to indulge in any form of election campaigning. He also said that any form of campaigning on television through cinematography is prohibited from now. Anyone found violating any guidelines would be jailed for 2 years or may have to pay a fine. It may be remembered that these deadlines are set only for the municipal corporation, municipalities, and Nagar Panchayat elections. Other election campaign deadlines would be revealed and announced later. Special prayers were held at Eidgah Ujale Shah Sahab Rahmatullah Alayh for the early release of city's renowned Islamic scholar Maulana Abdul Qawi. The All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimeen's Malakpet MLA Mr. Ahmed Balala took part in these special prayers that were held at the Eidgah Hazrat Ujale Shah Sahab Rahmatullah Alayh. Mr. Balala expressed his huge disappointment at the Maulana's arrest. Mr. Balala said that the Maulana's arrest was a pre-planned conspiracy. He said that the arrest of Muslim scholars and clerics was an attempt at trying to create fear amongst the community members. A large number of people joined the prayers at the venue. Majlis-e-Tahaffuz-e-Khatm Nabuwat Trust Maulana Muhammad Arshad Ali Khasmi, Maulana Minhajuddin were also present on this day. A youth died at Shamshabad after being hit by an RTC bus. According to details, a 27-year-old TV mechanic, Muhammad Azim, a resident of Pandial, was going to Maheshwaram when he was hit by an RTC bus from behind. As a result of this hit, Muhammad Azim was grievously injured and was shifted to a hospital, where he was declared broad dead by the doctors. The body was shifted to the Shamshabad Government Hospital for post-mortem. The driver fled the scene. The Shamshabad police have registered a case and are investigating. Many special checkposts have been set up under the Pahari Sharif police station limits in view of the upcoming Nagar Panchayat, ZBTC and MPTC elections. The Pahari Sharif police have so far recovered unaccounted cash of Rs 75 lakh from different checking operations. ACP Shamshabad, Mr. Sudarshan, was speaking to the media today. He said that during a checking operation at the Balapur road, the police seized Rs 8 lakh and 96,000 rupees from a shop owner and transferred the money to the income tax department. He also added that there would be a strict police vigil at the 14 polling booths formed under the Pahari Sharif police limits for the forthcoming Nagar Panchayat elections. Let's have a look at the headlines again before we wrap up the day's edition. Special prayers held at the Eidgah Ujale Shah Sahib Rahmatullah Alayh for the early release of renowned Islamic scholar Maulana Abdul Qawi. The deadline for the election campaigning for the Municipal Corporation 10 seats, 146 other municipality and Nagar Panchayat seats expired today. The Kamal Nath committee meet members of various associations at the Secretariat on Saturday. The committee has been entrusted with the responsibility of the distribution of state government employees between the Telangana and the Seemandhra regions. The Pahari Sharif police is to maintain a strict vigil during the upcoming Nagar Panchayat elections. So far, it has recovered cash worth Rs 75 lakhs in various frisking operations. And a youth died after being hit by an RTC bus in Shamshabad. This wraps up the day's edition. From me and the whole team here, thanks for watching.